Hi everyone, this is Learning Out Loud. My name is Bronson and we're here to figure out AI one real life problem at a time. So grab your coffee or your beverage of choice and let's get started. As you can probably tell by looking at me, I'm Gen X. I've spent the past 30 plus years turning messy information into something useful. Not as a programmer, but as a regular professional. And like you, I started out analog. Records, 3 channels on the TV, 1 telephone attached to the wall in the kitchen. And along the way, we've learned PCs, the internet, smartphones. Each time we've bridged the gap. AI is just the next wave in that cycle. This channel is for smart, capable people like you who've quietly wondered if they're falling behind with AI. You aren't. Also, this channel is not about work. Work already gets enough of your attention. You don't need one more work thing to learn. This channel is about using AI for the parts of your life you actually care about, no matter what you do for a living. What to do for dinner, how to plan a vacation, controlling your finances. Things that impact all of us. There's also a lot of fear about AI, with job loss, politics, the environment. Those are valid worries, and I'm not here to dismiss them or to debate them. That's not my lane. I'm here to help you use AI in your own life. This channel is also about showing and not telling. So with that in mind, let's get started. I'm sure you've already tried one AI tool before, but if you haven't, that's okay too. And honestly, I'm here to tell you, for right now, it doesn't matter which one you use. On my screen, I have 2 different services, Claude on the left and ChatGPT on the right. You'll notice that they both look very similar, so no matter which service you use, you should be able to follow along easily. First, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to organize a messy to-do list. We all have things that need to get done, from grocery shopping to running errands to picking up prescriptions. The good thing about AI is you can give it all of that information and ask it to organize it for you. You'll see I've got a messy list of things that need to get done in the window. I'm going to tell AI that I want you to sort this into a clean to-do list grouped by type. And you can see it did just that. It organized the groceries, the errands, the appointments. Next, I'm going to tell AI to just pull out the grocery list and organize that by aisle. And there you go. You have a clean grocery list ready to go that you can take with you to the grocery store and find everything you need in an orderly fashion. Now, I admit that that was a very basic use case, but you can start to see how AI could be used in other areas of your life. For example, my wife used to never use AI. But I used it one time to plan a vacation, the full itinerary. She was so impressed with the results that she started to use AI herself. Now she has her own paid subscription and uses it almost daily. She's still learning it just like I am. But you don't have to figure it all out. Just start with something real. If you do me a favor, click the like and subscribe button below. I'll like it, you'll like it, YouTube likes it. It's a win all around. I hope you found this useful, and if so, please stick around. There's a lot more to come.